Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best thermal imaging cameras available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Seek Thermal Imaging Camera. This Seek Thermal Compact Imager is Android-specific imager that plugs directly into your smartphone. It has 36-degree field of view that is ideal for use both indoors and close-range outdoors. That's allowing you to detect thermal energy up to 1,000 feet away. This Seek unit is perfect for contractors, professional trades inspectors, structural auditors and DIY homeowners. It is a perfect tool for DIY homeowners, contractors, builders and engineers. At number 6 we have FLIR Thermal Imaging Camera. The TG165 spot thermal camera bridges the gap between single-spot infrared thermometers and FLIR's legendary thermal cameras. This non-contact temperature measurement and imaging tool displays a thermal picture of your target, including any hot spots or cold zones that could indicate a problem. It is equipped with FLIR's exclusive Lepton microthermal sensor. The TG165 lets you see the heat so you know where to reliably measure it. At number 5 we have Seek Shot Thermal Imaging Camera. This analyze photos immediately comes with onboard thermography tools and create time-saving reports on the spot. You can use Seek Fusion to expose more detail with adjustable blend of visible and thermal images. It comes with 6x/16x higher resolution than competitors, and fully featured thermal tools for total control over image and video. It is built-in mount and live streaming over Wi-Fi to any smartphone or tablet. At number 4 we have B-Spire Thermal Imaging Camera. This infrared camera combines a highly sensitive and accurate thermal sensor to help you faster capture thermal images, without making direct contact with equipment, and find problems in areas that might be overlooked. It has 220 by 160 high resolution and larger 3.5-inch screen. That's provide clear images, easy to read with more detail and accuracy. At number 3 we have FLIR. The FLIR X series camera's low weight of 0.575 kg in the accessory belt pouch. That's make them easy to bring along at all times. Their rugged design can withstand a 2 meters drop test, and ensures reliability even in harsh environments. It has a focus-free lens and simple button navigation to on-screen settings makes this camera easy to operate. At number 2 we have FLIR Thermal Imaging Camera. It helps you visualize the hot and cold spots that can indicate electrical faults, mechanical breakdowns or air and water leaks. It is easily view live images on 2.4-inch display and see into dark or hard-to-reach areas. Comes with the bright LED work light. This non-contact temperature measurement and imaging tool displays a thermal picture of your target. This FLIR's patented MSX technology gives you the whole picture by adding key visuals to the undiluted thermal image. At number 1 we have the Thermal Imaging Camera. This is the professional quality IR infrared thermal imager used for home inspections, firefighting, and any other business, hobby or science where accurate to 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit temperature readings are required. A thermal camera is a special camera equipped with sensors that can detect thermal energy and turn it into visible light. The more heat energy an object emits, the lighter it is on the picture. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best thermal imaging cameras for your need.